Okay, so your targeting is perfect, your budget is right, your offer is solid, but your ads look like this. A stock photo of a smiling guy in a hard hat, text that says quality service at great prices, a blue background with a phone number nobody will call. And you wonder why nobody clicks. I run Lemon Agency. We create ads for plumbers, roofers, HVAC companies, renovation companies, and dozens of other home service businesses. And I can tell you the creative is the difference between a campaign that prints money and campaign that wastes it. So in this video, I will show you the 6 best performing ad formats for home service companies. So real examples, real results. So yeah, let's go. So number 1, and it's number 1 for a reason, because before and after is the single best ad format for any home service company. It works for plumbers, roofers, painters, landscapers, renovation companies, cleaning companies, anyone who transforms something. Why? Because it's instant proof. No words needed. The homeowner sees the ugly bathroom and the beautiful bathroom and thinks, I want that. I want that. So you don't need to convince them. The visual does all the work. So how to do it right? Video version, 3 to 5 projects back to back, 3 seconds on the before, 3 seconds on the after, and music in the background, text at the end with your offer, usually 30 seconds in total. Image version, side by side, split, ugly left and beautiful right. So bold text on the top. This could be your kitchen, bedroom, yard, and your logo in the corner. And the rule: film every single job you finish. Everyone take a before photo when you arrive, take an after photo when you leave. So in 3 months you will have a library of about 50 plus projects. So that's 50 ads waiting to be used. So this is very powerful. Okay, for format number 2, this one builds trust faster than anything else. So you the owner, standing on a job site in your work clothes, talking to the camera like you will talk to neighbor. So 15 to 60 seconds is enough in this case. So for example, it can be something like that. Hey, I'm Mike from ABC company. We just finished this roof replacement in Miami. If your roof is over 15 years old, it might be time for an inspection. We do them for free, so click below. And that's it. So no script, no fancy production, just a real person who does real work, talking about what they do. So people hire people they trust, and nothing builds trust faster than seeing the actual person who's going to show up at their house. So it works for every trade. Plumber next to a water heater he just installed, HVAC tech next to a new unit, a painter in front of freshly painted house, and landscaper in the yard they just finished. So same format, different background. Okay, the next one, the next thing is the customer testimonial. So let's move this. So after every job, ask the homeowner one question. Would you mind saying a few words about how the project went? Most people say yes. So 30 seconds of a real customer saying they showed up on time, did amazing work, and the price was fair. It's worth more than any ad copy you can write, because it's not saying you are good, it's your customer saying you are good. So pro tips, film it right after the job while they are happy and the result is fresh. So use your phone, it should look real, not produced. So ask them to mention to the specific work you did. For example, they replaced our entire roof in 2 days is better than they did a great job. So build a library of 10 to 15 testimonials and rotate them in your ads. Social proof never gets old. So yeah, this is very important. Okay, and the next thing is the process video. So this one is underrated. Almost nobody does it. Show the actual work happening. A time lapse of a kitchen being demolished and rebuilt. A close-up of a plumber fixing a pipe, a roofer laying shingles, a painter rolling a fresh coat. So why this works? People are curious about how things get done. These videos get watched all the way through because they are satisfying, and when people watch to the end, Facebook shows the ad to more people. So the algorithm rewards watch time. So yeah, the easiest version, set up your phone on a tripod, and when you start a job, hit record, speed it up to 30 seconds, and add text. For example, Miami kitchen renovation, 3 weeks start to finish, free estimate, click below, and done. So yeah, okay, and next thing is the static offer card. Sometimes simple wins. A clean image with bold text and clear offer, no video needed. Structure, one strong photo, your team, your van, or a finished project. Big headline, for example, free roof inspection this week. Smaller text with one benefit, we will find hidden damage before it gets expensive, and your logo, and done. So this format works especially well for older homeowners who don't watch videos. So retargeting people who already visited your site, seasonal offers with a clear deadline. So yeah, this is also very important. So keep it to 7 words or less on the main headline. If someone can't read your ad in 2 seconds on a phone screen, they will scroll past it. So yeah. Okay, the last one, and this is the one that gets the most comments and shares. Wait, because I click something. Yeah. Okay, so we need back to the slide. Yeah, so in this case, this is the last one. This education ad examples. So here you teach something useful in 15 to 30 seconds. Not to sell, but to help. The selling happens naturally because people trust you after you help them. So examples: plumber, 3 signs your water heater is about to fail. Number 1 is blah 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 blah. Roofer, how to check your roof for storm damage in 60 seconds. HVAC, this one setting on your thermostat is costing you $50 a month. And painter, the number 1 mistake homeowners make when choosing paint colors. And yeah, these ads don't feel like ads. That's why they work. So people watch, learn something, and they think, this company actually knows what they are doing. So then they see your offer, and at the end, they see your offer at the end, and it feels natural. Okay, so right now the system. So how do you actually use our 6 formats without going crazy? So week number first, film 2 before and afters, and 1 owner on the job video. That's 3 ads, and launch them. So week number 2, get 1 customer testimonial and make 1 static offer card, add them to the campaign. Week number 3, film 1 process time-lapse and 1 education tip, replace the worst performing ads. Okay, and week number 4, check results, double down on what's working and create more of that type. And after 1 month, you will have 6 to 8 ads running. You will know which formats work best for your business. Then you keep producing more of the winners. So the companies that win are the ones that never stop creating. 1 ad is not a strategy. A pipeline of fresh creative is. Okay, so let's make a quick recap. So first, before and after, best performer, film every job. Number 2, owner on the job, builds trust, talk like neighbor. Number 3, customer testimonial, social proof, ask after every job, and process time-lapse, satisfying to watch, high watch time. And static offer card, simple, clean, 7 words or less. And last one, educational, did you know, for example. So doesn't feel like an ad and gets shares. So yeah, want to see how to set up the campaign for your specific trade? We've made in Lemon Agency. We did a lot of campaign in this industry, and also I've made dedicated videos for plumbers, roofers, HVAC, solar, and dentist, and more. So links in the description. Comment which of these 6 formats are you going to try first, and subscribe for more. So I'm Jacob from Lemon Agency, and see you in the next one.